My name is Ruby Adkins, and I'm a member of the MIT class of 2026 and an East Campus resident. Welcome to a brief tour of the planned renovations to the East Campus resident courtyard, main entrance, and community kitchen. The courtyard will be enhanced with surface improvements and new seating areas, providing a more cohesive connection between the two parallels where students host large-scale projects and events. The entrances will include spacious lobbies that consolidate services and provide natural gathering spaces. Accessibility improvements include the addition of elevators at each of the main entrances and redesigned hall layouts to better facilitate the flow of residents and guests. In the west parallel, the Talbot Lounge will be fully renewed and will open onto the courtyard. A new adjacent community kitchen will create a vibrant community hub for cooking, eating, and socializing.